Alright guys, it's arts and crafts hour. We're going to get some of this painting done that we've been sitting on. We'll get the madcap done, the holiday buggy, and while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'll start taping this because the madcap will be my experiment to see if this Krylon works. Supposedly it's got a super adhesive that works good on polycarbonates, so we're going to try it out and see how we do. And these are for these are actually for another build, but we're going to use the red on the holiday buggy. So I'm going to go feed the goats real quick. They're hooping out. I'll take you with me. Oh, great. So these are my goats. I haven't introduced you guys. This one, the black one, is a cashmere goat. That's where your sweaters come from. And this one is just your standard old Billy. Oh, yeah, I know. We're having corn on the cob tonight, which means these guys get a treat too. We don't have much organic waste in this house. Most of it goes to the animals. And that's on purpose. Ooh, there's a whole corn there. I guess my mommy didn't like that one. Hey, be nice. Be nice. They're very aggressive. But that's because they grew up in a petting zoo. You ate that whole thing, didn't you? You silly. Now, goats aren't as, like, people think you can feed them anything. And you can, but they don't like everything. Like, this guy right here, he don't like a lot of, look at him fighting. He don't like a lot of the normal people food. You know, like, we'll give them good scraps and whatnot. If it's organics, they like it, like vegetables, but the other stuff, not so much. No fight, there's plenty there. Stop it. You're on film, everybody's gonna see you acting out. No one wants to see that. They want to see you being cute. Anyways, that's my goats. I've had them for a long, long time. When I got them, they were Amish goats, and they were sickly. Put on a lot of weight. We didn't expect it in the last 2 years. It's been 8 years now. So we're doing good. But like I said, these guys, they earn their keep. They keep the other animals away from my birds. No matter what I got, coyotes eventually win in the end, but these at least help. And they eat down all my hemp that I don't want. So there's no waste there. They love CBD. Don't you guys? They've been eating it for years. I personally think that's part of the reason they're so healthy. Anyways, hope you dig. Back to paint. Alright, first coat's done. Obviously we're doing holiday buggy red. All of the accessories anyways. I think it'll help accent the carbon fiber. We got some blue on our madcap. Let this dry for a minute, and then I'll come back for a second coat. I got the masking done for our TTO2. So we'll probably paint after I make sure that that paint works decent on that madcap. Alright, time for a second coat.